Welcome to the Reporting Options tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. Each report in VGS 5 has options for presentation and modification.
The report preview window contains two toolbars, the menu toolbar and the button toolbar. On the button toolbar, you can search for information within the report by case sensitive or whole words only. You can also open other saved report previews, print or quick print the report, adjust page setup and scale, zoom in and out of the page, adjust how you view multiple pages, adjust the background color, add a watermark, export in multiple formats, and send via email. Return to settings and close the report.
All of these options can also be found under the File, View, and Background menus above the button toolbar.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.